and welcome to my channel. Here I'm back at Darling Harbour for Vivid Sydney the second time around to share with you my personal experience for Vivid 2026 and to highlight the artist's work. If you want to see the full canvas of Vivid Sydney, you can also take Vivid cruises along the harbour to have the best experience in viewing this spectacular lights, festival of lights on a cruise. By the way, I am at King Street Wharf, which is a premier waterfront dining and entertainment and of course a commercial precinct located on the eastern shore of Darling Harbour. That's the crowd. That's how much people we have tonight. Flea Circus light installation. It features small illuminated rods and flexible stems that vibrate and sway, creating an interactive landscape. This light installation is called the Mycelium Network by artist Stevie Thompson, a fiber optic art piece featuring colorful, glowing tangled threads representing a hidden underground fungal networks. This is Molecule of Light by Chris Levines. It utilizes laser beams to create an immersive sensory experience that takes you on a geometric journey through space. Now I am here at the Stargazer Lawn in Barangaroo Reserve, where Vivid Fire Kitchen premiere its flame-fueled street food hub and open fire cooking experience featuring over 60 culinary voices and a massive open fire pits on the center stage. Like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell.